Hi everyone, this is Dr. Zoff and I'm here to welcome you to Math 221, Section 01. This semester we'll be meeting remotely using Zoom on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11:10 to 12:30. Just as we met using Zoom last semester, I'm hoping that you have this downloaded. If you need help downloading Zoom, please let me know and we will work together to get this done. We're going to be working using Moodle and HFC Online. To do that, go to www.hfcc.edu and click on Students. Click on HFC Online Moodle and scroll down to our class. Our Moodle course is going to be organized first with a section containing resources. Right now, this resource section contains a welcome letter, the syllabus and tentative agenda, Dean Gilliland's letter on academic integrity, and the URLs for virtual manipulatives. As the semester progresses, I will be adding more resources. The rest of the Moodle course will be organized week by week. All of the materials that you will need for each week will be in a section. As an example, in Section 2, all the materials for Week 1 will be included. So the copy of Journal 1, Addition and Subtraction of Integers, will be there. The reading assignment for Section 5.1, the problems from Section 5.1, and a writing assignment. If we have a quiz or a test, the quiz or test will also be included. My contact information is on the syllabus. The best way to contact me is by email. So please use my email and contact me using your Hawkmail. Office hours this semester will be conducted using Zoom on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8:30 to 9 o'clock, 12:30 to 2:30, and 4:45 to 5:15. If any of these hours don't work for you, please contact me and we'll arrange a special session. Our course goals are to, of course, help you develop your mathematical skills. Not just skills for your knowledge of mathematics, but your skills to teach children mathematics, to strengthen communication skills, and to develop your knowledge of rational numbers, real numbers, algebra, and geometry. The text is the same text that we used in Math 121. I'm hoping that you all have it. If you do not, you can get a copy from the bookstore. You'll need a scientific calculator and a protractor and ruler. Just to repeat, you need access to Zoom, and you'll need a scanner to convert your written work to PDF documents for submission. We're going to be using Didact's virtual manipulatives, and these are found on Moodle. The class format will be 75% of the time will be in our Zoom sessions, and the remaining 25% of class time will be in asynchronous learning. Okay, so you'll be doing things as reading assignments, writing some reports, doing your journal activities is probably going to be the most, will take up most of that time. Remember that this is a university transfer course, and so approximately 2 hours of work outside of class will be expected for every hour inside of class. On the syllabus, there are many technical support links, so I'm going to let you review those on your own. Our course is going to cover chapters 5, 7, 8, 11, and 13 in our book. Okay, please review those. Just kind of go through the book, shovel through it, see what kind of material we're going to be covering. Classes start on August 27th. The last day to drop with a refund is September 2nd. The last day to withdraw from the course is November 4th. Thanksgiving break occurs between November 26th through the 29th, and hopefully you will all be celebrating Thanksgiving in a joyful manner. Final exam week is December 15th to the 20th. The tentative schedule for quizzes and tests are on the syllabus. And as you know, this is tentative. If there's time that we need to maybe take a day or two more on some content, we'll do that, okay? The final exam will be Thursday, December 17th from 9:50 to 11:35 a.m. And I'm told that final exams this semester will be synchronous, so we'll all be taking the final exam at the same time. We're going to have 2 tests and 4 quizzes, and this semester I'm shifting the focus of how your grades will be computed to looking more at assignments. We'll have 7 small assignments intended to build your math skills, and they'll be due about every 2 weeks. Okay, so 7 assignments at 20 points each will be 140 points. Next, there will be 8 journal assignments. These assignments are worksheets that we will dig into some mathematics very carefully, similar to the worksheets that we did in class last semester. The journal assignments will be broken into 2 different types. The first will be a little bit more intense. There will be 3 of these where you'll write a draft of a journal assignment, and then you'll work carefully with someone in the class to look at the math, to see what you're doing, and to make it better. You'll submit a final journal assignment, and this entire process will be worth 40 points. Again, we're doing 3 of these for a total of 120 points. The second type of journal assignment will be similar, but the emphasis will be more on you writing a draft, reviewing it with a group of people, and then submitting a final report. There will be 5 of these journal assignments worth 150 points. You can imagine that with your writing an assignment, having someone review it, and then writing a final assignment, due dates are going to be critical. Okay, so any work that is not submitted on time is going to delay this process. So all late assignments will have 5 points deducted from the final grade. Remember that pre-education students have e-portfolios. You created these in CIS 221, and in CIS 221 you should have created a folder in your e-portfolio for math. These journal assignments are the perfect documents that you should be putting into your e-portfolio. As I said before, we'll have 4 quizzes. Each quiz will be worth 40 points, and these are considered formative assessment. So they're a learning tool. Okay, you're going to show me what you know, but after you get your graded quiz back, you'll be able to earn 25 of the points you lost by doing quiz corrections. Okay, more importantly than earning the 25% of the points back, you'll be able to learn the material that you didn't learn originally. Quiz corrections, as in the past, include 3 parts. You'll correct the problem that you got wrong, you'll explain why you got the problem wrong, and you'll complete another problem like it. Okay, quiz corrections will be due within 5 days of receiving the quiz grade, and again you'll upload this to Moodle. We'll have 2 tests and a final exam. Tests are worth 100 points, and the final exam is worth 200 points. Tests and final exams will be posted on Moodle. You'll write up your answers, including the questions, scan your work, and upload it to Moodle. I'm thinking that we'll be holding these tests during our regular course time. If that doesn't work for some of you, we'll make arrangements to find a way to do tests that again will work for everyone. The final exam is on Thursday, December 17th from 9:45 to 11:30. Class participation is going to be important. So it's going to be important that you actively participate in class. During our Zoom sessions, you'll be responding to some polls. You'll be writing some 1-minute papers, group work, or other activities. Class participation will be worth 4 points for each class. And I know that sometimes things happen and you won't be able to attend class, so 4 absences will be allowed. The total class participation points will be worth 104 points, so just a tiny bit more than a test. Again, we have some people with some special situations, and so special accommodations will be made for those people. As in the past, I don't give missed quiz or makeup quizzes or tests. Okay, if a quiz is missed, then only 3 quiz grades will be included in the calculation. If a test is missed, the average of the final exam will replace the missed test grade. Journal assignments are critical to your grade, and so all journals must be completed. If you look carefully, there are many different components that are going to make up your grade. Class participation, skills assignments, journals, journals without exchange, quizzes, tests, and the final exam. There's a total of 1,074 points. Okay, so lots of opportunities to earn the points towards a successful grade. As in the past, your grades will be determined by a percentage, and people earning between 90% and 100% will receive an A. Between 80% and 89% will receive a B. 70% to 79% will receive a C. 60% to 69% will receive a D. 0 to 59% will receive an E. Grades will be posted on Moodle, and they'll be generally posted within a week of the due date of the assignment, quiz, or test. There are additional policies on the syllabus, and I encourage you to read those carefully. We'll talk about these during the first day of class, and I'm hoping, or I'm knowing, that we will have a great semester together. If you have any questions, please contact me, and I'll be happy to talk with you about what we will be doing this semester. Have a great rest of the summer break, and I'll see you on August 27th. Thank you so much.